Ladies and lads, there's something you all really need to know. The Brothers War.
This is another vlog.
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 Not your log.
It's a vlog.
My log.
A lot of people say blog.
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 They just don't understand.
They don't understand. And also today is an unboxing. We're just waiting for that delivery text from
The Ups Man.
the Ups Man. The very good company of Ups.
Gonna slide into my DM.
But if you're not subscribed to the channel already, make sure you give that a smack. Give it a smack right now. Or at the end of the video, there'll be a little circle with our faces on. You give that a smack, Joe. Okay. And also turn on your notifications, because then you get that video bing, straight to your device. And you can watch it at the toilet. What? At work.
The toilet.
Or in the toilet.
You
I
put,
think that's his whole...
you put it in the toilet.
I don't think you put it in the toilet.
No, I'm gonna put it in the toilet.
I was thinking like people at work, they like go to the toilet so they can watch videos, don't they?
Oh yeah, just to get away from doing work.
I've never had a job. But you can watch it while you walk your pets. You should always walk your pets.
Are we people's distractions at work?
I think we're a distraction now at work. We don't have a job.
You're like, oh. Wait, what was that?
Noise again.
If you have subscribed to the channel,
You would have seen that 3 days ago that we put some music out. The song was named Rome.
cracking vocals.
It's the second music video. It's not music. Just music we put out. And make sure you go watch that after you've watched this new unboxing vlog.
In the toilet.
But we're going to quickly give it a little watch right now. Have a little headbang. But before I do that, I'm going to pass the phone to our person who holds the camera for us when I'm not holding it. Because at some point, I just do this again. I just do... There's so much dirt. What happened? I had clean carpets.
Rubbing off a little bit like Maria.
Rubbing
Medina.
off?
I feel very self-indulgent right now.
Alright, we have our text. We got our text from Ups. So,
He made that K a lowercase.
the K's are lowercase. We're going to get our delivery, so we're going to go now. Make sure you don't get this in the shop. Make sure you don't get this in... Why would they leave the delivery there? I just don't understand. Yeah. What's your problem? Ah! I don't want to break whatever's in it. It's really heavy. So what's really special about this one today is it's our 100th video.
Oh, a century!
On our channel.
Brother.
Bolt one for me. Oh! I don't think cricket players ever look into the distance like this. This is super special. We haven't really said what it is, but it's super important to the future of the vlogs and the channel and the music and everything like that. No, not quite yet. We're not doing it quite yet. Because what's inside here is basically going to allow us to continue what we're doing. This is everything. This is... What is it? It's the...
Is it a steady paycheck?
It's... Unfortunately, it's not a steady paycheck. We haven't got a job. Hey! I don't want this to really fall or anything because it's super breakable. And the worst case scenario, look, it says fragile. Fragile. Super fragile.
Like my ankles.
It's like his ankles, they're super fragile. So what we need to do is get in it. I know what we need. We need to, one, sing it a song. Two, it needs merch.
Okay.
All boxes should have its own merch. But Joe, where could you get this bit of merch?
TheBrothersAll.BigCartel.com.
The link for that will be in the description below. You get bits like this and this type of stuff. But in this box is not merch. The box is actually wearing the merch. That's the difference. Our box is wearing our merch. TBA.
Dedicate your TBA.
Ick. The worst case scenario would be if we like broke it or something, because there could be something scarily important in this. Is that a tune? That doesn't stop us though.
Mystery box, what secrets do you hold? You turned up in a big brown van, content problem solved. That was very silly and very dangerous.
I know.
What if that was a steady paycheck?
Damn. It's probably time for us to see what's in the box.
What's in the box, Scott? What? Scott's in the box! Scott's in the box! What's in the box? What's in the box?
Oh, you ready?
Yeah.
What is this? This is going to help so much with the vlogs.
It's a girl!
It's a girl. It's Atlas, he does.
It's really
On
good.
Instagram. This is going to make the vlog so much easier. This is our videographer. What? We won't have to always film ourselves.
And weirdly, I think this fits.
Get that you're in the box and you're our videographer.
Yeah, you sat on me, by the way.
Hit it with a guitar.
Serenaded it.
Ah, true.
Yeah, fair point.
Yeah.
But if she's in the box, who are you? Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you filming this one? Let me check. Oh my god! It was Barley all along! What? Barley's our videographer!
Barley!
Oh!
I don't know.
Buzz, do you mind if we give it to Lissy now?
I don't give a I just want to sit down.
Oh, okay, thank you, Buzz. Could you film the end bit as our new videographer?
I can. I hope I can do as good as Barley, though.
It's going to be a long shot.
So that was the vlog. We had duck masks. We also had a merchandise plug. Joe, what was that again?
TheBrothersAllBigHotel.com.
You can get lovely look.
You can go there for everything, not just Brothers All merch, everything.
And we also got my hoodie that I wore at the beginning of the
It's lovely.
the vlog. And we also have this box here that had a human in it, which is crazy that Ups would allow that.
How far did that come?
And look, it has a sweet TBA logo on it. At this point, as you just noticed, I keep throwing everything at our new videographer, and it probably won't stop now. So she'll have to hold on to that camera tight. That indeed was the end of the vlog. So, you know, if you've watched all 100... If you've watched all 100... We shared a womb. If you've watched all 100 videos, including this one, you want me this way? Is that what you need?
I can't
This
see
way.
Joe.
Why are you telling me to cover him then?
I'm not telling you to cover him.
You keep pointing this way.
Yeah, because I'm trying to say that you can't see Joe. Oh,
Is this better?
no, because I
Stop
can't
that
see
now.
Joe again.
If you hopefully you've watched all 100 videos 3 or 4 times through and given them all a big thumbs up. But, you know, anything for you to say, Joe? Well, all I can say personally is
Sean, you is my Lieblingsvater.
Germany. Shout out Germany.
Das ist gut, ja. Das ist gut, ja.
Ah, yeah.
Schwarzkopf.
My name is Fabregas. So, I think we're rambling now. That was an unboxing, our first proper unboxing on the vlog. We'll do more when we actually have the, not humans in there and stuff. You know, like-
We really need to talk to Ups about this. Like, you know, the old man with the balloons. Him.
George Clooney. That's an up in the air joke. I don't know if anyone would have got that.
Wow.
So, yeah. This has been the Brother Zora and this has been the vlog. So make sure, I'm going to take that off you for once. I know that you're new. You're brand new. I've only just met you. But I'm going to take it just so we can get some of this going because I like all this.
I like it when you do that.
Oh, I think there's an earthquake. But for now, I'm going to give you back to Lissy so we can do the end bit, which we always do. Ready?
Let's hear it.
It's kick bait, Joe.
Ladies and lads, there's something...
No. End. So we're going to do... Kick bait!
Actually fits.
I like it.
Oh. It's not what it